Career fair held at Lucknow Public Collegiate with many universities organized by WorkWave Global। आज लखनऊ पब्लिक कॉलेजिएट रुचिखंड शारदा नगर में वर्कवेव ग्लोबल की CMD प्रीति त्रिवेदी और अजय द्विवेदी ने कई विद्यालय जिनमें LPS वृंदावन, सेक्रेड हार्ट, शिवानी पब्लिक, अवध कॉलेजिएट के बच्चों हेतु विभिन्न यूनिवर्सिटी और इंस्टीट्यूट जैसे चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी, चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी, महिंद्रा, एरा यूनिवर्सिटी, जैन, IIHM, महर्षि यूनिवर्सिटी, DY पाटिल, UPES, पर्ल, AI यूनिवर्सिटी, इनकोड, पाथफाइंडर, फ्रैंकफिन, आचार्य, GLA प्रमुख रही जिनसे बच्चों ने महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी ली। यूनिस्लेट इंटरनेशनल की सीनियर काउंसलर पल्लवी अधिकारी ने बताया कि हम ऐसे विश्वविद्यालय और कॉलेज उपलब्ध कराते हैं जो हमारे सभी छात्रों की ज़रूरतों को पूरा करते हैं। साथ ही हम अपने उन सभी क्लाइंट्स को इमिग्रेशन सेवाएं देते हैं जो विदेश में बसना चाहते हैं। हम छात्रों को बेहतरीन सेवाएं प्रदान करते हैं जो अपनी उच्च शिक्षा को UK, USA, कनाडा, यूरोप, मलेशिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड आदि देशों में जारी रखना या शुरू करना चाहते हैं। इसके अलावा हम वर्क परमिट सेवाएं भी प्रदान करते हैं और IELTS, PTE, ड्यूलिंगो, GRE, GMAT, SAT आदि परीक्षाओं की कोचिंग भी देते हैं। वहीं एक अन्य स्टॉल जिनका DY पाटिल यूनिवर्सिटी पुणे की एडमिशन हेड शिक्षिका श्रीवास्तव ने बताया कि हमारा पाटिल विश्वविद्यालय ADYPU नवाचार और उद्यमिता का प्रमुख केंद्र है। यहाँ हम युवाओं को नए कौशल सीखने और अपने स्टार्टअप को बढ़ाने का सही माहौल देते हैं ताकि वे बदलती दुनिया में आगे बढ़ सकें।
Good morning to everyone. This is Preeti Trivedi, CMD WorkWave Global. I am organizing a career fair on 27th of August at LPC Ruchikhand, Sharda Nagar, which is a big prestigious good school of Lucknow, one of the best schools of Lucknow, and I am organizing a career fair here with almost 20 university here from all over India. Chandigarh University is here, AI Universal from Mumbai is here, Frankfurt is here, Quantum is here, Era University is here, Maharishi is here, Encode is here, Chitkara University all the way from Chandigarh is here, Pathfinder who prepares students for NDA examination is here, IIHM from Delhi is here. They are a hotel management institute which has branches all over the world, not only in India. So, and the children of Delhi schools are coming here. It's a mega affair with almost 1,000 students from different schools are going to be here. And the career fair started with the city coordinator of Lucknow, Dr. Javed Alam Khan, and he has obliged me to conduct this career fair in the school, and I thank him a lot, and thank you all the universities for coming here.
Good afternoon, this is Shikshika. I am here from Ajinkya DY Patil University, Pune. This is a NAAC accredited university established in 2015 with departments of engineering, design, law, management and many more. So we welcome the students from all across India to come and enroll with us on a journey of tremendous career opportunities and job opportunities.
What facilities you are providing in your institute different from the other universities? What is the main important thing?
So our university is basically known as the Innovation University. We believe that the students who come to us should not just be constrained in classroom learning. So we have labs for all the courses, even our law courses and liberal art courses. The studies are done through lab and live projects in the industry. So that is the kind of differentiation factors that we provide to the students.
Hi, good morning. My name is Pallavi Adhikari. I am coming from Delhi. My company's name is Unislate International, which is established in 2021, and we are majorly into study overseas. That means to send students abroad to various universities, public and private both. And what is different about our consultancy is we help students from getting the university selected till the visa process is done. So we help students in settling abroad as well by the means of PR, permanent residency and study overseas plus immigration work permits.
What what other things your consultancy agency provides?
So Unislate International provides services including the immigration, that includes your settling abroad, that includes your permanent residency. Apart from this, we are also into study overseas, which we have 80 plus universities with us, including we also do filing for public and private universities both. And also we also handle work permits. Apart from this, we are also into coaching like PT, Duolingo, IELTS. So from the application till the visa, we are there for you to all the students, including IELTS, PT, Duolingo, and SAT, GRE, GMAT. If you want to associate with us, you want to start your career with us, you can come to our Dwarka office. That's in Sector 12 Dwarka. Thank you so much.
Myself Muskan Kushwaha from Shivani Public School, and I have chosen this stream PCB. I had a very nice experience at this place, and this is the university situated in Pune, and they had very good courses. They offer very good courses to you, and thank you.
Good morning everybody, myself Harshita Singh. I have visited Chandigarh University, Maharishi and Chitkara University for now, and I have a great experience, and they are also very good at counseling. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I'm Madhika Mishra of Lucknow Public School, Sector 9, Vrindavan Yojana. I'm now here at LPC, Lucknow Public Collegiate, and here are so many universities are advertising themselves and telling us about what we should do, and they are helping us to just clarify and just start thinking about the future.
My name is Devushi. I'm from Sacred Heart School, and I've visited Maharishi, Franklin, PW, and Chitkara universities, and I have a great experience from which I've learned many things and new things about the future courses. Thank you.
I have been to Uniselect International, and I met Pallavi ma'am and told me about various programs, especially about my choice, that is DLLB. And I have got to know that they send us for abroad for our further studies. What is better than this, when we can have like our dream choices in abroad, if we can study.